1:42 in the morning. I'm sitting in my room in the dark. It's pretty cool. Never thought I'd be sitting here talking to a camera. You know? It's pretty crazy. What does my life come to? I sit around and make videos on my webcam. And I sleep and eat and sleep and don't sleep. I don't know. Stuff's really changed, and I've really changed, and my friends have really changed, and people I thought were my friends have really changed, and that's cool. And I'm okay with that, because change is good for some people. I mean, I guess. This video is really pointless. It's just kind of my declaration of, I don't know, boredom and, I don't know, burntness and the darkness. Which is my room, because my light bulb burnt out, which is cool, because I'm okay with the dark. It's nice. It's quiet. Yeah.